Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. They're both ideal for normal to dry hair. Like all Moroccanoil shampoos and conditioners, the hydrating line is free of sulfates, phosphates, parabens, and sodium chloride. Both products are safe for hair that has been color treated or keratin treated. Because the hydrating shampoo uses a highly concentrated, water-loving formula, begin by using plenty of water to activate the shampoo into a rich, luxurious lather. Feel free to add more water if necessary. Rinse until the water runs clear. After shampooing, gently squeeze out excess water. Apply the hydrating conditioner from roots to ends. Leave in for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse well. The hydrating shampoo and conditioner gently cleanse, detangle, and moisturize dry hair.